we're going to unbox and take a look at the Fantom wallet. They were kind enough to send me out their product. So basically, this is just a unique, different kind of wallet, and it's by Fantom. It says made in Canada. It's a card fanning lever, full aluminum chassis, compact design, featherweight, moderate upgrade. So you can upgrade, you can make upgrades to the back of the wallet. This says this one is walnut. It can hold up to 6 to 10 cards. So pretty much we're just going to unbox this, and I'm going to test it out and show you what it does. And it says review us on that card. So I'm going to leave that card right there. And here is the product right here. And then they also sent me over the screwdriver, because you can make modifications to it. You can add, that's what has these little screws. You can add different back plates to it, I believe. That's nice. This is my first time ever reviewing a wallet on my channel, but I feel like it's still worthy of being reviewed. It feel good. This is walnut. It's black aluminum chassis. It's very lightweight there, but once you get them in there, you're good to go. Kind of got to put them in at an angle here. So as you can see here, put them in at an angle. We're just going to see if it can do the 10 cards like they say it, 6 to 10. Because you know, some people have a lot of different credit cards and so on and so on. They want to use. And it just goes like that. That is nice. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. This is 8. I don't know if I can get 2 more in there. Let's see here. This is 9. And do this here. 1 more would be 10. So it does indeed carry 10 cards. That is very, very cool. This is a very neat wallet to have. If you're out there and you have a lot of cards, then yes, you could put 10 in here, thick or thin. And I just want to say thank you for sending me out your product, and rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.